Thanks for choosing Dairy Queen. How can I help you?
Let's see. Give me a Reese's Peanut Butter Lovers Blizzard.
$3.91. Thank you, and drive around.
Thank you.
Yeah. Take it on your card number.
Alrighty.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make sure I got the Peanut Butter Lovers. Yep. Peanut Butter Lovers. It looks like it's time. Hit the music. Well, hello there, guys, girls, and of course, non-binary people. It's Reed here yet again, guys. With us today, we have the box in the back, as always, as our sidekick back there. Yep. And we also have everybody's favorite ass. That's ASSJW. We got Alexa. Do you like peanut butter?
Totally. I especially love Jif.
I do too. I think we've had this conversation before. Well, anyway, guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review for who's only true 365-year straight-edge food product reviewer. We do it every day of the year. Today, people, we have the brand new Peanut Butter Lovers Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Now, as you saw, people, when I ordered the Blizzard, $3.91 for a small Blizzard. Tell me that's not outrageous. That's one thing I've noticed about Blizzards. They are totally out of control, people. And you know what this was? Before tax, it was $3.69. So yet again, people, $69 makes its way into the show. That reminds me of the night I walked in on the ex-wife, by the way, people, when they were $69 right there in front of me. Never will forget that. 69 with a big black BBC rammed down your throat, gagging on it. It was like what it was like. And you heard a lot of slurping noises too, of course. But anyway, guys, we're gonna see if the Peanut Butter Lovers is worth let's just say $4, $3.91, $4. Is it worth it? We're about to find out. So as always, guys, remember, if you have anything you'd like to read the box, of course, Alexa review, I'll leave a comment below. If we like a comment, gonna pick out the comment and view your request next. Thumbnail, a small Blizzard for a small man. Now, people, everybody loves peanut butter. Is there an American that doesn't love peanut butter? Wow. Wow. Oh my. Man, that is something right there, people. Man. I have to step back, people. I have to step back. I'm going to tell you right now. It's packed full of that Reese's peanut butter. And you know what a fresh Reese's peanut butter tastes like, people. It's the closest thing you're going to find on earth to heaven. Besides a hot, petite, 25, 30-year-old Asian girl. This might be heaven right here. Now, of course, we reviewed the candy bars, the Reese's Peanut Butter Lovers, and the Chocolate Lovers. And of course, people, I'm just a big fan of peanut butter. Peanut butter, sure, the chocolate one was good also, but peanut butter is just the way to go, people. I wonder what brand of peanut butter they use in their, well, of course, it would be whatever brand Reese's used, of course, but it's probably their own peanut butter, of course. They make their own peanut butter. It's wonderful. You got the pieces of Reese cups, and you've got that peanut butter just flowing through it. I almost feel like I can feel peanut butter flowing through my veins, people. Boy, that's good. Now, of course, people, I got a smile because to me a smile is plenty. I mean, there's so much sugar in a smile. I couldn't imagine eating a medium or a large. I mean, just imagine getting a large Blizzard like this. It's not just about the price, just imagine the sugar. Which, of course, sugar is a great thing when you're an American in the greatest country in the world. But just imagine. My goodness. Those little pieces of peanut butter. Unbelievable. Oh yeah. That's the way Reed likes it right there. Everything I thought it would be, people. And more. You know what it gets? I'll tell you what it gets. Alexa, I give it 5 stars. That's how good it is. Good as it gets right here, people. The perfect Blizzard for the perfect summer day. Alexa. Alexa. Is she there? Alexa. What is a Blizzard? I guess she's not working. And that's okay, people. You know, it's okay. That's going to be the official review. Check it out, people. It's wonderful. You will not be disappointed.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
And you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You love peanut butter, you're gonna love this. So that's the official review, guys. As always, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And we're gonna see you guys as always tomorrow, because you know what? Unscripted, unedited, people. Right there with Alexa. You know, we kept going, even though she failed us. You know, we're not gonna go back and reshoot the video. We're gonna do it 100% unscripted, unedited, the way it was meant to be. You know, we're not making a blockbuster movie here. We're doing a food review. So give the video a thumbs up. As always, it goes a long way to help the video. We're going to see you guys as always tomorrow, because we do it every day of the year. Have yourselves a great day as always. Toodles! I guess these actually shipped from Canada. Would that be possible? The cream is great. It's so good. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. Now, I think these would be even better, people, if you put them in your fridge and let them chill, then eat it. It'll give you that nice, they give you a closer taste to the orange creamsicle, whatever. It'll give it even a better taste. But it tastes just like the orange creamsicle. Yes, it does. That's right. That's good. Very refreshing. What a great way to start the day. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa,